got hold of you, we invite you over for, I say invite you over, that was back in the day when it was face-to-face interviews. We've gone very virtual now and we've stuck to that for the moment. So we'll offer you a virtual interview, and we arrange that at a time that's suitable for you. And it's this pre-interview is really important, so take it seriously, and take it as seriously as that formal interview at company. We'll ask you to fill out 2 forms as well, which we'll send over by email. And the one form, the profile form, is designed for you to really sell yourself. The application form does what it says on the tin. And then once we've got these 2 pieces of paper in front of us, we'll interview you, have a look at those forms, use that as a bit of a guideline for our interview questions. And we type up your interview notes, release your academic achievements or predicted grades to your potential new employer, and encourage them to invite you for a formal interview if we feel that you've met the criteria they're looking for. When you're applying for job roles, you're going to be applying online, and also you'll probably be submitting a CV. So my top tips to you for both of those instances: proofread what you're writing. It doesn't matter whether it's a warehousing role or engineering, etc. English, spelling, punctuation and grammar, really important. So if you're unsure, get somebody else to look over what you've written, just so a second pair of eyes might pick up mistakes. That, again, first impressions count, so double check. We get lots of applications sometimes where people have forgotten to just put a capital I when talking about themselves. Basic error, get that right. Capital letters you type quickly for your own name or your address. Please make sure that's all in situ, and it's a really good start. Right, so basically, for tips and tricks for a really good interview, prepare well. It's that big thing to do at the end of the day. Make sure you're early. So even if you're having a virtual interview, be sat there ready to go a few minutes early. Be smartly presented. We don't want to see you in yesterday's pyjamas or, clothes that look like they've just been picked up off the bedroom floor. A nice outfit. Be smart. Be proud of yourself. You're showcasing who you are. And also be prepared, as in, have you researched the company? Because if you haven't, how do you know you want to work there? Do that little bit of digging. It's so easy to find information now. It's all at your fingertips. Have some questions ready maybe that you might have yourself about either the company or how is the apprenticeship delivered, and we'll be happy to help. If we can't answer that for you, we'll find the answer. And also be positive and enthusiastic. This is your chance to shine at the end of the day, and that pre-interview is just as important as your formal opportunity.